eBay, I did Shopify, I had brick and mortar businesses. Follow me right now as my main objective every day is to try to make money from the stock market. I'm on the road to 3 million. This episode, I'm not sure what it is, but this is just an intro. And right now you can see me break down videos on here on my YouTube. Look at the books, check everything out, and be in touch. Message me through here, Twitter. Get up with me. It's going to be a phone number and email, and we can talk about any subject, stocks, crypto, what we need to in business. Let's go. January 14th, 2025. The run, it continues. I mean, cryptos are up. All these stocks are just running. These penny stocks that, I'm used to seeing them going 100%, 120 in a day is good, 300. Today, three stocks went up over 300%. The one I was in, I played it twice. It went up, what was it, PBIO or PHIO? I have to look again. Maybe 400%, you know what I mean? Like 1 to 4 or something crazy. I have to even look. Like, I had to go to sleep and, chill, get back to it. But every day it's stock after stock after stock going up. News, sometimes the news and catalysts aren't mattering the same as they used to before, you know what I mean? So it's important to stay locked in, just stay in that flow state, keep hitting stocks, because at the end of the day, if you're new, if you're beginning, yeah, it might be good to study right now because things aren't going to be like this years to come. Then they might go back, because if we rewind back 2022, definitely stocks were not going this high. But 2021 and 2020, they were. So it's a crazy boom right now, crazy bull market, and I'm just staying locked in. I'll show you some stocks that have gone in. Like I said, most of this video is just for personal reference for myself to look back on, maybe January of next year, to just keep in reference and to know that these plays are going to come. The money's there. The plays are there. You're going to keep making money in the stock market. So just stay locked in. Countdown to the market open today. We got some stuff that's running a little further than yesterday. I mean, the run might be still on. I'm aggressive, you know what I mean? Big win on this stock right here. I was in from 345. I got most of it out. We just gonna see what this morning spike gonna do. Go from there. BMRA was up on news. I mean, from 30 cent to 115. 30K to 115K. That's how I could look at it. But that's not what we playing it from. You see what I'm saying? And there it was. After that morning spike on Willer, yeah, I played it. You know what I mean? I ended up holding some shares, as you see right there. Like, I got so many of them shares out. You know what I mean? I sold so many for a nice gain that I started to get greedy, right? I'm trading off my P&L. I'm watching BMRA right there that I just pulled up. I figured that was going to tank. I didn't play it again right there, ADTX. I got a great trade on that stock right there, right? But instead of just taking that in and locking it in, I kind of played it like how we've been playing the weeks before, right? How we've been playing the past week, the past month. Things have been going 300%, 600%. You can just go look at all the videos, right? So then I started to chase a bit. I'm down 59 maybe or $60 a day, right? Nothing, which could have been 5K another day if I'm not taking heed to the fact that the market, it was so hot that it's like we might be at the top of the mountain. So not only will things maybe go down, but they might trap us, different things, right? I won't get into too much of that right here, but like, that's why I just was like, you know what? I'll be aggressive on certain plays, but I'm not going to be too aggressive. Right here, what is that? PMEC. I pulled that up because they had news with NVIDIA. And we know NVIDIA news, cloud, Microsoft, different news, Facebook, TikTok, they've gone, crazy this past year. But as I said yesterday, maybe the catalyst won't go too far, right? When it's crazy, when it's running, when it's mania, it's different things are just going, but maybe sometimes they won't, right? When things are dying down, that makes sense. So PMAX right here, they had news, I believe, too, but look at that tank. So all the way from, what is that, 1 back down to 30 cent? You know what I mean? Just straight down. So if you're holding some of these, if you're playing some of these, you're just going to get wrecked, right? ADTX, that was the one I was in. As you see, I saw it. My plan, I'm going to be honest, my plan was to sell it as soon as I saw a red candle. From where I was in it at, right? And I got in and out. Boom. Nice profit. Maybe, I don't know, 15%, but at the end of the day, it was not the best executed trade. Actually, let me say this. It was a good executed trade, but not the best trade I would have took. So, I just kept going with it. Got in and out. Went back to something else. But again, I held Willer too long. I would say I still had great stock selection today, which is important. And again, there's days like this, years back, where I would have turned being down 50 to being down 5K, 2K maybe. Just depends, right? Also had big wins at the time, but still, right? You don't want to just swing when you don't need to swing. And like I said, I can't get too much in depth to that because that's going to be some further stuff. But that's a long story short. You got to see what ocean you in. It's a high tide or not. So I'm watching, but quick tip: I won't trade at all tomorrow. Simple. It's Friday. Stuff runs Friday, but I won't take any trades tomorrow. Simple, right?